Hi guys, Mike here, and welcome back to the channel.
Mike here. If you find this video helpful,
In
subscribe.
today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install an app that you previously installed and deleted. Let's jump over to my iPhone and get started. Recently, I switched back to Apple Mail. I was using Edison Mail, but I found out some things from another YouTuber that I watch regularly that I was unhappy with about this application. So I decided to switch back to Apple Mail. If you're interested, you can watch his video by clicking on the YouTube card on screen now. I'll also leave a link in the description. When I switched back to Apple Mail, I forgot the reason I stopped using it in the first place, which was that it was difficult to send photos. Let me show you what I mean. If you tap on the screen in a blank space, you get an arrow to the right hand side. As you can see, I've had to tap twice, and it's very hard to hit that arrow if you're sending a photo in a hurry. The first option you get is quote level, so it looks like you can't do it. However, if you swipe over, you do have the option to insert a photo or video. You can bring up your camera roll and then choose a photo. Tap Choose to insert the photo. Open the App Store and search for the stock mail application. Tap Search and scroll down. It's the second option. Tap it. If you've previously downloaded this app, just tap the cloud and the download should begin. Once the download finishes, tap Open. Then select the mail service you use, in my case, Google. Enter your email address and password to sign in to your account. If your account was previously added, you will get this message. If you do, tap Settings and turn on the Mail option. Exit the settings and go back to the home screen. You should see the application icon. When you do, the application was successfully installed. If you found that video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more quick technology tips and tutorials. In a moment, you'll see some of my other videos appear on screen. Feel free to check them out, and we'll see you in the next one.